Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make a selection a layer in Photoshop. Okay, now see this. Select layer, selection. Hold Control and click middle or icon or any object. Click and now we can see this selected layers. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Hold Control for select multiple selection. Hold Control D for remove this. Hold Control S for remove all effect. Hold Control. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.